Your car was right, so I go right.
No one has faith in me, guys. We're definitely getting kicked out.
On the top now.
We got the shop kind of ready to go. You can see the list. It's a mess right now. But let's get this YouTube started, man. Everything's good, guys. Trust. Alright, I'm scared. Get me down. How do I get down? Holy shit.
You don't hit the same button.
I was actually never afraid, guys. It's not part of the video. Peace out.
Where the fuck are you going?
Interesting, Mike. Eat the fucking Big Mac.
How are you gaslighting Mike into thinking that something's wrong with the burger?
Eat the fucking burger now.
Dad, stop. I don't.
Take a bite, Mike.
Take a bite, Mike.
Anthony, you promise there's nothing.
Yeah, that's
He promises.
This isn't from last week.
No, or last year.
Dude, open it up.
I'm quick, bro.
Oh,
I'm
shit.
quick. I got it down. Oh, fuck.
Did you get it off?
It's stuck, dude.
Airbag lights on? Dude, this guy needs to work for us. 1, 2, 3. All right, so we're going to a meet. We haven't gone to one in I don't know how long. We're gonna see if we can go to Mexico after. The G80 is running tune an E30. We're gonna see what there is out there. Let's head to the meet, Kenzie. We pulled up to the meet. Look who we found. We got Lance. So we got Speed FX. These guys own. Where are you going now?
I don't know.
Just because you have a Tesla?
They gotta
God
recharge it.
damn
They
it.
ran out of battery.
Do a wheelie. Do a wheelie.
Bro, he's got a ball sack dangling on the back.
He didn't want to do a wheelie. It's what, like fucking what? How cold is it right now?
That's like
It's like 40 degrees out. Mike's that guy. Mike's that guy with the
cold.
shorts. It's not that cold.
You're like
You're not that guy, Mike.
What kind of M340 is this?
Bubba's shivering.
Let me try these Johns. Let me.
Oh, shit.
Put them on.
Holy shit! That's an inline 6 if I've ever seen one.
Weren't you from that one Harry Potter movie?
That Harry Potter movie on Riley Reid?
Oh, I know that movie.
No, just do a wheelie.
Hold on.
Just pop it.
Reverse burnout.
What to do a fucking wheelie?
It's a 335. It's not gonna do a wheelie.
It was gonna misfire if anything.
A su pinche madre! God! What's up, buddy? Oh! Damn, dude!
I thought you were the
Let me
man.
try.
Oh, damn.
Oh. Yo, dude, I like that fucking plate, dude. It's clean. Oh my god. That is definitely me. What do you think about that plate?
Bro, I think that's inspired by
That's
you.
a great story. Yeah, no, I love the...
Oh, is that the Dodge dealership? I'll catch you later.
Hey, hey, buddy. I don't think I can hear your exhaust back there. I don't think it's working. We're definitely getting kicked out. Oh shit, she's here to get mad. Oh. Yeah, you got in trouble. That was not me, man. That was not me. Let's see what happened.
Take over?
No, let's see the pictures.
Oh, I got you.
Oh. I thought you were gonna bring me the picture, bud. Where do you go?
Buddy brings out
He
like
just
a
left
photo
me.
book.
Oh, he's bringing up the photo album.
Will they pop in the video?
I wish. I'm getting close to time.
Where's the tire pop?
Let me see if I can.
For a living.
He does that in his all-wheel
Nah, for
drive
sure, bro.
BMW.
Alright, I can't see. Alright, so we got $100. F80 M3. Full bolts on. I don't know what else. Just full bolts on, bro.
He's got welds on.
He does have welds.
They have no
versus mine. So $100. Mine only has, what is that? E30 and a fucking tune.
Hey, listen. Only if you take
$100 then, right?
us to the spot.
It's fucking. It's shit.
official.
Yeah, this hand's pretty warm. Not gonna lie, it's cold out here.
Got another.
Alright, he's.
What do we got here?
We got Charge pipes, intakes, downpipe. Is it on full E 85?
Full E.
Logan, full E. Full E, mid pipes. Fuck.
You lost your 100.
I lost my 100? Hey.
100.
Oh, side bet. Side bet.
Side bet, bro. He got the 100, then my car gets it. Give me that crispy honey. I can already smell it.
Oh, yeah.
Shaking it, 60 roll. Oh shit, where's your hand? $100.
I'm going for the blue one. That's cool. $100? Hold up. You have him on Facebook or something?
I know he has upgraded twins.
Look.
Just here.
No, yeah.
No one has faith in me. God damn it, bro. So not 100 with me?
Fuck it, let's do 100.
You want to do 100 with me?
$100. Your car versus Brian's. I go for Brian's.
Yep.
Oh, okay. So we got $300 today. 100 bucks F80, 100 bucks 135 upgraded turbos, single turbo 154. 300 bucks. I'm only spending 200. Cruise another 100. All right, man. I lost that round, man. Shit happens. Let's try another one.
A little squirrely there.
I don't know what happened, man, but a win is a win. Whether he got squirrely or not. Baby, we doing it, making money. We're going to Paris tonight. All right, so we got 100 bucks from the single turbo 335. We beat the F80, and then I'm 1-1 with that 135. So, yeah, damn. Up until we came to the cars. They definitely pulled on me lower end. That was probably the fucking best race I've had all night. I leave it up for him to decide though. I think that was a pretty goddamn good race.
You'll pay up if you have to?
I'll pay up if I have to, man. I don't give a fuck.
Alright.
I'll call him. You can definitely tell his car is definitely the faster one in this. These Texas streets, man. They're wild. These Mexico streets, they wild. Tell them. Easy, man. Too easy.
It's 4 a.m. I might fall in, but she not by my side. Her I stay calm.